What up, guys? We're going to be cooking a pork butt today on my slow and sear kettle. We're going to try and put as little effort into this as possible. It's Monday. I just feel like cooking, so y'all hang tight. Let's get to it. So we have a pork butt that's a little under 8 pounds. We're going to get our Worcestershire binder on there before we get our honey chipotle barbecue rub all over the edges on every corner and every side, guys. This is going to help us with our bark. We're going to shoot around 300 degrees on the slow and sear kettle with some cherry wood chips. This is an hour and a half in, looking good so far. We're going to keep checking on it probably in about another hour and a half, and this is what that bark looks like. I'm happy with that. Like I said, we've been running 300. We're going to go ahead and pour some Coke into a pan, get this bad boy wrapped in some aluminum foil, and finish cooking it to 205 degrees internal. The bone should pull clean out like that. That's how you know that you did the job. That's the telltale sign. Then we're going to shred that pulled pork up with our 2 forks. It shouldn't be anything difficult. Reapply a little bit more of that rub. And now's the kicker. I love a little apple cider vinegar in my pulled pork. You can eyeball that portion. And then a little bit of this honey peach glaze from Suckle Busters. Check this out, y'all. Cheers.